Here on our final slide, we share with you text-to-text comparison options for the hill we climb. And what it says here for us is to compare and contrast Gorman's poem to one of the following text. And I have linked here for you The Gift Outright, Robert Frost's poem for John F. Kennedy's 1961 inauguration. And you can connect here with that. On the Pulse of Morning, Maya Angelou's poem for Bill Clinton's 1993 inauguration, On the Pulse of Morning. Joe Biden's inaugural address, here's the link, Inaugural Address by Joe Biden. And finally, one last time, from Hamilton, an American musical. And the link is right here. Also on this slide, you can go to do research, learn more about the inaugural poems from our history, and Mrs. Key may even entertain a possible extra credit opportunity through this slide. And you will learn more about that later.